Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, in the last video, we solved the exercises of chapter number 17. First three exercises of chapter number 17. The last exercise number 4, was remaining. So let's solve this one. So see carefully and try to understand. Exercise number 4 is read and understand. There are 8 sentences given here. 4 are in one row and second 4 sentences given in second row. So listen carefully and especially read the sentences underlined words, especially underlined words. Try to understand. جلس الجد في الحديقة الجميلة. Grandfather sat in the beautiful garden. Okay. Next sentence is أكلت الأم ثمرا لذيذا. Mother ate a tasty fruit. Okay. Next is القلم في الحديقة في الحقيبة الجديدة. The pen is in the new bag. Next, رسم الطفل قطارا سريعا. The child drawn a fast train. Okay, next. ذلك بيت نظيف. That is a clean house. Next. تلك مدرسة قديمة. That is a old school. Next. الفيل حيوان كبير. The elephant is a big, huge animal. Next. العصفور طائر صغير. The sparrow is a small bird. So these are 8 sentences, but what writer want to make you understand and want to teach you have to understand. Look at the underlined words. Al-Hadiqa al-Jamila, beautiful garden. Thamaran lazizan, tasty fruits. Al-Haqiba al-Jadida, new bags. Qitaran sari'an, fast train. Baytun nazifun, clean house. Madrasatun qadimatun, new school. Haywanun kabirun, huge animal. Ta'irun saghirun, small bird. When you see at these words, you will find that these words are the sentences of Mawsuf and Sifa. One word is noun and second is qualified. One word is noun and second is adjective. When and in English, in Arabic, the noun is called Mawsuf and adjective is called Sifa. And there are some certain rules about Mawsuf and Sifa. So let's understand the Mawsuf and Sifa in detail. Look at these sentences. As-sifatu wal mawsuf. As-sifa is called adjective and mawsuf is qualified noun. Okay, next. Read these sentences and try to understand. هذا قلم جديد. This is a new pen. قلم is adjective or صفة, and جديد is sorry. قلم is موصوف and جديد is صفة. قلم is qualified noun and جديد is adjective. Next. هذان ولدان مجتهدان. These two hard-working students. These two hard-working students. So here ولدان is موصوف, qualified noun, and مجتهدان is صفة. It means adjective. Next. هؤلاء مهندسون ماهرون. These are expert engineers. So muhandisun mawsoof, qualified noun, and mahirun is sifa, adjective. Next. هذه سيارة غالية. This is a very costly car. Costly غالية. So سيارة is mawsoof and غالية is sifa. Next. هاتان البنتان الجميلتان. These two beautiful girls. These two beautiful girls. So here البنتان جميلتان. البنتان is موصوف and جميلتان is صفة. Next. هؤلاء الطبيبات الماهرات موجودات في المستشفى. These expert doctors are available in the hospital. So here الطبيبات الماهرات. طبيبات موصوف, الماهرات صفة. Next. المسجد الكبير نظيف. The big mosque is clean. Next. الخطيب ماهر قائم على المنصة. The eloquent and expert speaker is standing on the dais. Next. اشتريت الأقلام الثمينة. I bought costly pens. Next. جلسنا في السيارات الغالية. We sit in the costly cars. So these are the examples in this sentence. The last sentence is السيارات موصوف الغالية صفة. In this 10 sentences of in which the موصوف صفة is used in these 10 sentences, when we look carefully to these sentences of موصوف and صفة, we find something. What are the what are the rules and what are the realities about these sentences of موصوف and صفة? So let's read. Let's understand. Number one is الصفة. One is we should understand first of all. In English, the adjectival phrase, his contribution first adjective, then noun. For example, the big house. But, so here the big is sifa, adjective, and house is qualified noun. But in Arabic, this order is reversed. In Arabic will be first noun, then adjective. For example, al-baytu al-kabiru. Al-Baytu Mawsuf, Al-Kabir is Sifa. But in English, the big house, the big is adjective and house is Sifa, sorry, Mawsuf, qualified noun. So Sifa came first and Mawsuf came in the last. It means adjective came first and noun came in the last in English, but the order will be changed in Arabic as given in the example Al-Baytu Al-Kabiru. Al-Bayt is Mawsuf, is mentioned first, and Al-Kabir is Sifa adjective which came in the last. When you see in all the examples, you will find like that. Qalabun Mawsuf came first in the first and Jadidun Sifa came in the last. Waladan Mawsuf came in the first, Mujtahidan Sifa in the last. Muhandisun came first, which is Mawsuf, noun, and Mahirun is adjective, came in the last. Like this, you will find in all the examples that Mawsuf mentioned in the first and Sifa came in the last. But when you will translate these sentences in English, you will mention Sifa first and Mawsuf in the last. For example, هذا قلم جديد. This is a new pen. So new came first, pen came in the last. هذان ولدان مجتهدان. These are hardworking students. So hardworking, which is Sifa, came first in English. And waladan, which is Mawsuf, came in the last. Hardworking student, hardworking boys. So boys came in the last in English. So first rule should keep in your mind that in Arabic, Mawsuf will come first and Sifa will come in the last. Completely opposite of English. Next. Oh my God. Next rule is noun adjective agreement. There are some rules in which both Mawsuf, there are some conditions, there are some situations in which Mawsuf and Sifa will be similar. So, noun plus adjective agreement. Number one, in Arabic, the adjective must agree with the nouns. Number one, definiteness. Definiteness, it means if Mawsuf will be proper noun, so Sifa also will be proper noun, which is called Ma'rifa in Arabic. If Mawsuf will be Ma'rifa, so Sifa also will be Ma'rifa. For example, in modified noun, if the modified noun is definite, the adjective must be definite. For example, Ar-Rajulu At-Tawilu. So here, the tall man, here Alif Lam is the sign of definiteness, is the sign of Ma'rifa. Understood? In Arabic, if any noun will have Alif Lam, that particular noun will be considered Ma'rifa. It means definite noun, not common noun. If any noun will come without Alif Lam, at that time that particular noun will be considered as common noun. Okay. Next, and if the modified noun is indefinite, the adjective must be also indefinite. As I mentioned, if Mawsuf will be definite, Sifa also will be definite, it means Ma'rifa. If Mawsuf will be Ma'rifa, Sifa also will be Ma'rifa. And you know, Ma'rifa is a specific noun. It's called specific, any special noun. Okay, and Nakira is called common noun. Okay, so if Mawsuf will be Nakira, Sifa also will be Nakira, as given in the example Rajulun Tawilun, or any long, tall man. Tall man. A tall man. Any tall man. So here, Rajulun, which is Mawsuf, is Nakira. That's why Tawilun is also came Nakira. So one rule is, first rule is that if Mawsuf will be Ma'rifa, then Sifa also will be Ma'rifa. If Mawsuf will be Nakira, then sifa also will be nakira. Number 2, in gender, it means if ma'rifa will be muzakkar, masculine, then sifa also will be masculine. If mawsuf is feminine gender, then sifa also will be as given in the example bintun jamilatun. Here bintun is feminine muannas, then jamilatun sifa came muannas. Second example, mudarrisun jadidun. Mudarris is muzakkar. That's why jadidun sifa came muzakkar. Number 3, in number. It means in number also both will be similar. If mawsuf will be wahid, then sifa also will come form of wahid. And if mawsuf mentioned dual tasniya, then mawsuf sifa also will be tasniya. If mawsuf will be jama, then sifa also will come jama. For example, at-tullabu mumtazuna. At-tullab, which is mawsuf, is jama. That's why mumtazun came form of jama. Next example, at-talibul mumtaz. At-talib is wahid. That's why mumtaz came wahid. Number 3, in case, it means in i'rab. What i'rab will come on mawsuf? Same i'rab will accept sifa also. For example, ja talibul mujtahidu. At-talibu is here marfu, given pesh because of being file of ja'a. That's why al-mujtahidu, which is sifa of talib, will accept pesh because of being sifa of at-talib. Next, ra'aytu at-taliba al-mujtahida. I saw the hardworking students. So here at-taliba given here nasab because of being maf'ul bihi of ra'ayta. That's why given nasab. And al-mujtahida, it is sifa of talib, and al-mujtahida also given nasab because of being sifa of at-talib. Next, zahabtu ma'a at-talib al-mujtahidi. Here ma'a is mudaf, at-talib is mudaf ilay, and you know mudaf ilay always will be majroor. So here at-talib is in halat al-jar. That's why, and al-mujtahid is sifa of at-talib. That's why being sifa of talib, which is in halat al-jar, is also majroor following मौसूफ. इट्स मौसूफ, अपने मौसूफ को फॉलो करते हुए वो भी मजरूर है. In short, what i'rab will accept mawsuf? At-talib here mawsuf, at-talib here mawsuf, at-talib here marfu. That's why sifa also given marfu. At-talib in second sentence is mansub. That's why in second sentence al-mujtahida given sifa, given also nasab. In third sentence at-talib is given majroor jar. That's why al-mujtahidi also given majroor because of being maf'ul, following to its mawsuf. Now it will be easy for you to understand these sentences. Same rules are followed in this al-hadiqa al-jamila. Fil hadiqat al-jamila. Fa because of I think video is becoming very long. Inshallah, I hope you understood about the rules of mawsuf and sifa. Inshallah, next video we will solve this exercise. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.